video will walk you through understanding how to use the job board. Please note that the job board may have different features and functions depending on where you are, whether you are accessing it as part of an employment service or through a workforce development board, and whether or not you are logged into a jobs portal account. For example, hyperlinks to career libraries, sector libraries, and other tools may not be available. The jobs portal is connected to an incredibly powerful job board, which collects job postings from more than 50 different websites, including popular job sites and local employers, all in one place. Job posts are categorized and associated with the appropriate National Occupation Classification Code, or NOC code. There are over 500 NOC codes in Canada, representing as many different jobs. You can learn more about NOC codes and how they are classified in the Career Library. Every company that posts a job gets a company profile in the system as well. These companies can also be categorized and associated with the North American Industry Classification System Code, or NAICS code, based on which industry they represent. There are 928 individual NAICS representing as many different industries, categorized into 20 broader sectors. This categorization of job posts helps us capture real-time data about jobs in the region, such as which companies are posting what types of jobs in which industries and how often. It also helps us learn which jobs and which skills are in demand. The job board gives you direct access to these job posts and, using the data we capture in the back end of our system, allows you to filter through the job posts to find what you're looking for. At the top of the screen, you'll see the total number of job posts currently active in your region. Using the menu on the left of the screen, you can narrow down your search by choosing which criteria you want to filter. Clicking on any of these headings will give you a drop-down of options to choose from. Selecting these options will tell the system which job posts to show you and which ones to hide based on how they are categorized. You can choose to filter by occupational category, job type, meaning full-time, part-time, or casual, tier categories, which means the level of experience and education required, duration, meaning permanent, temporary, or contract positions, industry, and location. You can also choose to show jobs that are associated with specific tags, for example, apprenticeships, seasonal employment, work-from-home jobs, and student jobs. You can also look for jobs in specific languages and choose how you want job posts to be ordered, by relevance or by how recently they were posted. You can select multiple filters to look for very specific jobs. For example, maybe you're looking for a job in manufacturing that requires no education and is in your neighborhood. You can select those filters from the menu, then click Search Now, and the system will show you all the job posts that match what you're looking for. In Mobile View, you will need to click Advanced Search to find and use these filters. Each job post will have the same basic features: the job title and the name of the company that posted it. An indication if the job is an in-demand job, meaning this is a job title or occupation that frequently appears on the job board. The date the job was posted, the location of the job, whether the job is full-time, part-time, or casual, whether the job is permanent, temporary, or on a contract, the occupation title based on the job's National Occupation Classification Code, or NOC code, and any other relevant information available, such as wage and responsibilities. If you're logged into the jobs portal, you'll also see your skills match percentage, if applicable. At the bottom of the job post, you will see 3 buttons. Clicking on Go to Job Post will take you to the original job post on whatever external website it was posted to, where you can find out more information, including how to apply. Clicking on Save Job Post will add it to your Saved Jobs list if you're logged into your Jobs Portal account. Share will open up an email window to let you send a link to that job post by email. This works best when you are signed into an email application like Outlook. Whether you're using the job board on its own or as part of the full jobs portal experience, it's a powerful way to explore opportunities, discover in-demand careers, and take your job search to the next level.